This is how you delete the search history on Safari in iOS 26. All there is to do, tap on all history, tap on clear history, and it's all gone. I'll show you how I got here. First, you open Safari, and then it remembers where I was, so I'm going to close out all this. You're searching whatever, you're on whatever page, doesn't even matter what page you're on. Everywhere you go, there's going to be 3 dots in the bottom right. Tap on that, then tap bookmarks. It might default to putting you onto the bookmark tab, which would make sense because you tap bookmarks. You want to tap on the little clock icon. Here, we see the search history for lots of different days, for me, going back quite a while. To get rid of all of those, tap on these 3 dots, tap on clear. You can choose which time frame, last hour, today and yesterday, all history. You can choose to close tabs if you want. When you tap on clear history, it'll all be gone, whatever time frame you set. If you don't want to get rid of all of it, just some of it, you can open up any search day. Let's just pick this one right here. You can swipe any one to the left, tap on delete, and it'll just delete that one entry. What's interesting also, you see 3 entries for Friday the 13th. That's not because it's a bad luck day. It's because there's 3 different search sessions. So maybe this was the morning, this one was the afternoon, this one was the evening. 3 different sessions that Safari identified as being search sessions, and it just clumps them together like that. You can also tap on these 3 dots and choose select website. So if you wanted to, instead of swiping one at a time and deleting them, we now have check boxes on the left of all the websites in the history. We can choose all of them, any subset of them that we want. Tap on that garbage can to delete them, tap on the check mark to leave them as is. So those are the 3 different ways you can clear search history inside of Safari. But what if you can't find those 3 buttons down here? What if for some reason those aren't there? You can do this in the settings as well. So if we come out of Safari, we go to our settings app, and we scroll down to the apps, at the very bottom there. We tap on the S to go to Safari. There's Safari there. Let's tap on that to open it. Scroll down until we see something related to search history. There it is, clear history and website data. Tap on that. We have the same pop-up up here. We can choose our options and we can clear history. The big difference is here we can't actually see what's in the history, whereas in Safari we could. So choose the one that you want, tap on clear history, and it's done. It's really quick. I'll show you how quick it is. Tap on that, boom. Gone. Done. I hope this video helps you. If it did, let me know by subscribing and liking because it really helps the channel. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to double the battery life of your iPhone. Super cool video. It's pretty quick to do. Click on the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.